Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and today we are aboard this 2024 Boston WHALER 28 Vantage. Here starting at the back, you notice our twin Mercury 400 V10 Verados, and as well as you notice is this big aft bench seat. And me being 6'4", I have plenty of room here for another person. As we put that up, then you notice our large cockpit for if you want to do fishing, and as well, notice our shade up here to keep everybody happy and in the shade all day. Here on the port side, your big oversized dive door, which has a ladder in it, go in and out of the boat super easy. And here on the starboard, where you have your cooler in the back, keep your refreshments in there. Freshwater sink with Corian countertops here. And as we work our way to the helm, you'll see a few features integrated in the boat, where we have our Simrad integrated from the factory, and as well as our digital controls and Mercury joystick with Skyhook, as well as you can do your autopilot from there as well. Switching looks great. Here on the starboard side, or port side, may I say, your bench seat, as well as this converts to a lounge, so if you want to put it all the way down, then you have a huge lounge looking aft. Pop this back up, put it in a different position, where you can lounge forward as well. Here's your bathroom in here. Nice teak accents, as well as some sea deck. Make it easy if you just want to store stuff or have an electric porta potty as well. Coming towards the bow, notice this huge sun pad up here, comfortably fit 3 or 4 adults, and as well as this center would pop up to make a dinette. If you want to have some sneaks or snacks, watch the sunset, whatever you may have. And then coming towards the bow, whereas this, once you open this up, deploy your ladder. If you just want to bow up to the sandbar, you can. With your freshwater access here, you can get and shower off. Like I said again, guys, my name is Ben Finley, MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida. Give us a call today to check out this 2024 Boston WHALER 280 Vantage.